woolen thread that I doubled. I doubled it so that it stays sturdy for easy manipulation. And then you just use it to wrap around the hair and bring it up gradually until it gets to the level that you desire. Once it's at the level that you desire, then you can start wrapping the thread around the hair and tying it properly so that it stays sturdy. If you want to know how to easily comb your hair so that you can easily style it, then we have a video for that, and the link is in the description. We've also included direct links in the description box to reputable and affordable stores for quality yarn offering worldwide shipping. Moving on, you just hide the threads in the hair beneath the rope so no one can see it and it doesn't look messy. And then you get your comb and start brushing the hair. You need a comb like the type I'm using, which is a pattern comb. You can also use a brush or any small comb as long as it's something that can catch the details, then it's okay. Remember to pull out the bun with your fingers so that it's longer and looks more appealing, and then you can arrange it with your fingers just the way I'm doing so that it looks better. Meanwhile, you can brush at any time just to ensure you have a neat work. And there you have it. Feel free to let me know if you have a better way to do it or a different way to do it. I'll be happy to know. Have a beautiful day.